Hi, today we will go over how to use Communication Source, one of the primary communication subject databases at UA. Communication Source is a subject-specific database, unlike Scout, which pulls from multiple databases. Search results in Communication Source are drawn from a list of journals that specifically publish about communication, mass comm, rhetoric, linguistics, and other communication-related topics. This means that any search you run in this database should give you results that are directly relevant to your research in communication. To get to Communication Source from the library homepage, first click Databases. From there, type Communication Source into the search bar, or click the Subjects drop-down menu and select Communications, where it should appear at the top of the list. As a reminder, if you're off campus, you'll be prompted to log in with your MyBama login when you click the database link. Logging in with your MyBama login is the only way to access the full text of articles in the database, so be sure to do so. Once logged in, you will be brought to the Advanced Search page. This page allows you to string together multiple keywords using the Boolean operators and, or, and not. In addition to basic keyword searching, you can click the drop-down by the search box to search by author, title, subject, and many other things. You can also click Publications for a full list of journals available in this database. For this demonstration, I'm just going to run a basic search for politeness theory. Once the search finishes, you'll see the search results listed below. Each entry here is a different article from your results, and you can see the title of the article, author, what it was published in, the publication date, some subjects, which give you an idea about the article's content, and options for accessing the article below that. To see more information on a particular article, click on the title. This page is the database entry for this particular article. It has a lot of the same information as the search result, but it also includes the abstract, a short description of the article's contents, as well as several tools that let you save, cite, or share the article. To access the full text of the article, click the Access Options drop-down menu and select either PDF, then Download, or Online Full Text, and it will take you to the full text version of the article. From this page, you can also click Publication Contents and see what other articles appear in the same issue of the journal as this one. To go back to the search results, click the Back button. Looking back at the search results, I see that there are a lot of articles to go through here. There are a few ways to reduce that number and tailor the search more to your needs. To do this, use the filters on the left-hand side of the screen. For the research you're doing in your classes, you'll want to limit the results to peer-reviewed articles by clicking the Peer-Reviewed button, and to academic journals by clicking the Source Type drop-down menu and selecting Academic Journals, then click Apply. Doing this will remove some results. We can also add other filters to the search. To limit the date range, click Publication Date. From here, I can click one of the recommendations here, or I can create a custom date range. For this search, I will click Past 5 years. The other filters you can add include subject terms, which could help you narrow down your topic further. For example, if you are interested in specifically looking at politeness theory as it relates to etiquette, you could select etiquette, and perhaps other related terms like courtesy and gratitude. Then click Update Selections, then click Apply. Other filters that you could use include limiting the search by publication, publisher, language, or geography. You don't have to use every filter, but they can help narrow down your search. To save multiple articles, you can create a MyEBSCO account and save articles to your account and come back to them later. Finally, you can email yourself the articles or save the URLs of the articles you are interested in on a Word document. If you aren't getting a lot of results or just want to broaden the search, there is a way to search in multiple databases simultaneously from this page. Above the search boxes, click Communication Source and select the ones you think are relevant. The best bets here are, in addition to Communication Source, Academic Search Premier, Business Source Ultimate, and APA Psych articles. That's all for this video. If you need more assistance on how to use Communication Source, you can visit our website to chat with us or find your librarian at lib.ua.edu.